Hello and welcome to this tutorial. If you're experiencing the frustrating issue where YouTube videos won't play on your device, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to walk you through step-by-step solutions to help you get YouTube working again smoothly. Whether you're using an Android phone, iPhone, tablet, or even a computer. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. One of the most common reasons YouTube videos won't play is due to a weak or unstable internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening other websites or apps to see if they work. If the connection is weak, try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Step 2. Restart the YouTube app or browser. Sometimes, the app or browser simply needs a fresh start. Close the YouTube app completely, reopen it, and try playing the video again. If you're on a browser, close the tab or window and reopen it. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Long press on YouTube app icon, tap Info app. Then select Storage. Tap Clear cache if needed. Also tap Clear data. Step 4. Update the YouTube app or browser. An outdated version of YouTube or your browser can cause compatibility issues. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube, and tap Update if available. If using a browser, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Step 5. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time can cause issues with video playback. Go to your phone settings. Set date and time to automatic or sync with network time. Step 6. Lower video quality. If your internet is slow, trying to load high-resolution videos might fail. Tap the settings icon on the video. Change the video quality to 360p or to 480p and see if it plays. Step 7. Check YouTube server status. Sometimes, the problem isn't with your device, it's with YouTube itself. Search as YouTube Down in Google, or check websites like downdetector.com to see if there are outages. Step 8. Reinstall the YouTube app. If none of the above steps work, it's time to delete and reinstall the app. This will remove any corrupted files and give you a fresh installation. There you have it, a complete guide to fixing the YouTube can't play video problem. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you get back to watching your favorite videos without interruption. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.